Someone is caught up in a karmic relationship, okay? They're stuck in something right now. However, they are on the way to you. Okay, so something that they can't kind of escape that easily, that they're stuck in, they are trying to leave to come to you. They do not underestimate how important you are. They're coming to make it right. They want to be with you because they cannot let you go, okay? They know that that is the karmic and they know that you are the one. And they're going to act on that. They're ready for commitment. That's what they want. That's what they're coming in for. They need to apologise to you for the delay. They understand that they've put you through a lot during this period, but they also want to express to you that no matter what happens here, they are coming to you. And they're going to treat you the way that you deserve, okay? This person values you. They love you. They want you. They often think that you're too good for them, but there's nothing wrong with that. It's just showing here they've been working on themselves, ready for this. So all the time that they may have still been with this karmic, trying to kind of, play chess here in preparation to leave, they have been working on themselves, and you've changed them and made them a different person. So they are acknowledging that and they want to come in. They're going to lay everything out on the table just so you know exactly what's been going on, and they're moving towards you in a position so that you can be together and you can kind of start afresh, okay? So they've been watching you, they've been looking at your pictures, and there's just, there's not a day goes by where this person hasn't got you on the mind. So if they don't get to see you every day, they still get to see your pictures and they do kind of miss you, even though you're with them, okay? So let's take a look at the tarot and see what's going on. It just shows they do really care about you, okay? Yeah, okay, this person's got a lot to sort out. That's what's going on here with that person, but it does depict them as being alone. So just because they're with the karmic does not mean they're with the karmic, okay? It just shows here that there's going to be a breakdown tower moment where they move forward. They're moving away from that to a place of peace with their empress or emperor, okay? So this equals the complete package, whatever that may be. They're really fed up with that situation. But again, it is over. That karmic relationship is done and this person has disconnected and is coming to you no matter what. It's going to be a conversation about this and a conversation about how they move on to the right path with you. So if they've been promising this or if they've been talking about this, know that this is happening. It's actually coming in quicker than you expect. When you two guys come together, the speed at which your relationship moves is going to be super fast. So, you're going to go from maybe nobody knowing you together to being engaged or getting married or planning a baby. It's a fast pace. It's also got a lot of peace in it. It just keeps showing that there with the peace sign. And it's a commitment. So it's a solid commitment that this person wants with you. They're not just going to come in and think, oh, let's date. It's a, could lead to a family unit. If not, it's forever. This person's super passionate about you. There you go. Very passionate about you. Physical side of the relationship will be great. Just shows giving you a great confidence as well. If there are children involved in this connection anywhere, do not worry about that. Things will balance out in the way that they need to and all will be well. But yeah, right now this person's making big moves and they are final moves. So they will soon be yours.